You notice how all of this fits in with Robert Dilts' logical levels. So
Yeah.
self-confidence is about both. I think it's about beliefs
Mhm.
and capabilities. Remember, beliefs are
Those
above
two,
capabilities.
yeah. We should quickly.
Well, you go ahead.
Maybe we'll have a graphic put up here.
Yes.
Ross, if we have one, throw a graphic up to make the Dilts logical levels model clear here on the screen. But at the very bottom, we have environment.
That's
and then
the world you live in.
when people get stuck there, they're at effect. Things are happening to them. They're not
Life
at
is happening to
cause. You
them,
want to
yep.
be responsible for things. Above environment, we have behavior. Right. Behavior is what you do, how you behave.
And when you behave in a different way, you will affect your environment immediately.
Above behavior, we have is it capabilities?
Yes, it is.
Yes,
Which
capabilities.
capabilities are abilities.
Yeah.
And you cannot behave in a way that you're not capable of doing. So building in new abilities, new capabilities will enable you to change your behaviors, which will then work its way down and affect your environment directly.
Above that, we have beliefs.
Right.
Because if you have a belief that you have a certain capability, you're more likely to go out and actually get it.
Right. Or if you have a belief that you can get the information, the skill set that you need, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. Or if you have a false belief like I can fly, you will have the capability to jump off a cliff.
And of course, above that,
fly.
and not fly. Above that, we have identity.
Right.
So
above beliefs is identity. And that,
so
so these are the two we're talking about here is beliefs and identity. I believe certain things.
Capabilities.
Yeah. Well, and capabilities. Yeah. Capabilities, beliefs, and identities we got environment, we got behavior, we got capabilities, we got beliefs, we've got identities,
right?
And then at the very top, which we're not talking about, we have mission / spirituality, all that stuff.
Spiritual, not spirituality.
Spiritual, okay.
It's not a stuck state. Now, this is interesting because if we add new beliefs to our mindset, then we can gain new capabilities. When we have new capabilities, our self-confidence starts to rise.
Right. Okay. So I like that. Yeah. It's not really at the identity level, although it can be. You can say, I'm a confident person. Well, in what ways? You can be confident in some things, and everyone has areas that they're confident in, even if it's confident about not being confident. Right. So there's a nice reframe for you.
Very nice. Now, the interesting thing is, the question is always, is your view of your capabilities, which is your belief about your capabilities, is it accurate? That's going to be the question, isn't it?